Welcome back students, let us continue the lesson Advanced Features of Word Processor 2. Okay. In today's session we will see how to insert the clip art. Okay. So what is clip art and how to insert a clip art in Word document. First of all, let me open Microsoft Word. Click on Start, click on All Programs, click on Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Word 2010. So this is the window of Microsoft Word. So in this window, how we can insert the clip art. So first of all, we will see what is clip art. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. So clip art means, so that is pre-designed pictures. Already that pictures are available. So that pictures are already pre-designed and it is given for the use. So that pictures directly we can insert it in our document. So now how to insert that pictures, how to insert that clip art in our document. See, the first step, what it says, first keep the cursor where you want to insert your picture. So place your cursor in that place. There already my cursor is here. I will take it a little bit down. Afterwards, click on Insert tab. In the Insert tab, Illustrations group, you have a clip art option. Okay, so clip art button is given on a insert group of illustrations, insert tab of illustrations group. So just click on clip art. So when you click on clip art, you will get the task pane of a clip art. Okay, this is the task pane. So this is clip art task pane. So when you click on that clip art option, it gets display, it appears on your screen. So now here they are given a search for box. Okay, so in a search for box, so what you want to search, so you have to type it in this box. For example, let me type computer. Then after typing, just click on go button. So when you click on go button, you will see a list of images with the typed keyword. Okay, so which image you want to insert, then just click on that image. So that image will be inserted. So it will display all the clip art images related to computer. Then view the various clip art images using the vertical scroll bar. So by using this vertical scroll bar, you can see different types of computer images are showing. Then you click on the desired clip art image to insert it in a document. Okay. So just which one you want to insert, just click on that image, so that image will be inserted in your document. In this way you can insert the clip art. After inserting the clip art, you can close this task pane. Here close button is given, just click on close button, so it gets closed. So this is the way to insert a clip art. So now let us explore that option. Please we'll see. Now for example, if you do not know which type of images are available in a clip art group, so again let me open a clip art. Here if I type a computer, means computer images are displaying. If I type animals, here animals images are displaying. You can use this scroll bar to insert that images. Or if you type let me type furniture. Okay, some of the furniture images are displaying. Okay, so here what happens, when according to your keyword, here images are displaying. So next see, I do not know which type of images are available. In that case, if you want to see all the images, so whatever the images are available in this Microsoft Word, if you want to see all those images in a result, okay, so in a result, if you want to see all those images, so just what you do, you keep this box empty. So this search box, keep the search box empty and click on go button. Then what happens, in a search result, you will see all the files, whatever the files are available, clip art files. Okay, so clip art images, whatever the images are available, so that all the images will be displayed in your result. So in this way you can search the clip art. So all the clip art can be seen with the single click. So don't type anything in the search box, just directly click on go button. If you want to search with a particular keyword, then type that keyword in this box, then go button, use this go button. And when you keep it empty and directly if you press go button, it displays all the images with without any categories at all. Here we will get all the results which are available, the effects or the images which are available, so that all the images are available. Okay. So you can search the clipart in this way. So let me close this clipart. I hope you have understood this. So next point comes watermark. So what is a watermark? Watermark can be defined as a dim or faded impression of an image or text on a paper, which is placed behind the text in your document. So watermark is a image or it is a text. Okay, it is a text or image, whatever it is left to you. What are you going to place? So that text or that image is going to display at the behind of text. So whatever you are typing at the behind of your text, so that image or that text gets displayed. So Word has a gallery of watermarks to choose from, or you can create your own customized watermark. Here Word is having inbuilt watermarks. You can use that watermark, or you can create your own watermark by using that option. So that option is given for us to have our own watermark. So that is customized option. So by using that customized option we can create. Like first let me show what is that watermark. So you might be seeing whenever I send the notes. Okay, so whenever I send the notes, you see in that notes file. For example, let me show you 5th standard itself. The 5th standard worksheet. You see at the behind of a text I have written 5th standard. Okay, so here, so this 5th standard, it is written behind of this text. So this is a watermark text. So this text we can insert it in a document. So in a place of this text we can insert the image also. Okay. So for example, I think I have used it in a first lesson. Do not know. So no, don't know. So somewhere I have used that image also. You can use the image also as a watermark. Now let us learn how to insert or how to create the watermark in our document. So first of all, let me maximize the window. Okay, so in this window I am going to insert a watermark. So click on the page layout tab. In a page layout tab you have a page background group. Okay, so in a page background group you have watermark option. So watermark option is given in page background group of page layout tab. So just click on that watermark, you will get a drop down menu. So this is a drop down menu. Here you can see some of the inbuilt watermarks are displayed. So from this watermark you choose custom watermark option. So select custom watermark. So then you will get one more dialog box. So let it open. So printed watermark. So no watermark means nothing will be printed. The first one is picture watermark. So now we will see how to insert the picture watermark. Select the picture watermark, then select the picture. Now I am going to use one picture. So let us use logo itself. So logo, then click on apply, then close. You can see behind the text we have a watermark. So this is the watermark image. Okay. Next, see, I am going to use the text watermark. Again go to custom watermark option in a same watermark option in page layout group. In the page layout tab, page background group. Okay. Then select text watermark. So in this text watermark, select the text what you want to type. I want to type 5th standard notes. Then what is the font you want to apply for this text? You choose it from here. Okay, you choose the font from this font box. Let me choose one dark font, usually impact. Okay, then size you can choose, it is left to you. How much size you want to keep it? I'll keep it 36. Then color of that watermark, let me choose one dim color. Okay, then how you want this, diagonal or horizontal? Okay, so now first of all let me keep diagonal, then click on apply button and close. You can see here 5th standard, it is showing. Okay, we can write over this 5th standard text. Let me go to that same option. Let me set it for auto and let me keep it for horizontal option. Then again click on apply. See, the text is displaying. Now I'll take a cursor over that watermark text. We can type over that text. So this is the watermark. Yes, so that text goes behind this text in our document. So you just choose a language, font size, color, everything you have to choose. Then just click on apply OK button. See here, after setting this after choosing this all the option, just click on apply button and OK button. It gets select. When you choose this semi-transparent, when you click on apply, see it becomes again a little bit darker. So if you want a little bit lighter, then tick that mark and click on apply, close it. So in this way you can set the watermark in your document. I hope you have understood this one, how to insert a clip art in a document and how to add the watermark in a document. Thank you for watching.